news file, and I've got 3 lawyers who know their stuff and all the messages you have been sending in and commending them for what is going on. Now, let's have your questions and they will answer them. Who do I have first? Hello, Ebenezer, you're calling from the Volta region. Let's hear your question.
Okay. When a chief forcefully land that belongs to the clan, members of the clan live on the clan land, and the chief, in the name of being a chief, sells part of the portions of the members' land to a developer, and the developer has started working on it. Can that clan member destroy and pull down the development of the developer? Would that be a crime?
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Let me take my next. Hello, Henry. Henry, you are calling from Ardenta. Let's hear your question.
Yes, Samson. Good morning.
Morning.
And good morning to your panelists. I'm very happy you're talking about land issues here. Samson, my name is Henry. And what is happening in this country is sad. The long and short of it is that I have a land in the Ebri section, a village called Amanfro. And these days, what is happening is it's such a peaceful place, very peaceful. But the land, these developers are showing interest in the area. And what they are doing now is that they falsify documents and then go to the police headquarters. And Samson, what I'm telling you, I can give you names of commanders in police headquarters, the fraud office, and then they give the police protection. Samson, it's so sad that I was called by my cousin who is on the land, and when I got there, the police will not allow me to get to my land, a land I've owned for 30 years and have leased for 90 years.
Okay. Sorry about that, but Mark, and please,
please
try and give us a summary quick so that we can get you the answers as crisp as possible. Okay, hello, Mark. Let's hear you.
Okay. Yeah, I'm calling from. My name is Mark.
Okay.
I bought land about 10 years ago, and I've been on the land since then. I have started developing the land, and just somebody from nowhere came and claiming that the land belongs to me. I have documents registered from land commission, everything. Even recently, I even took a surveyor to take their machine to go and survey the whole land again too. And then I sent the results to land commission to go and do another search, whether to ascertain that the land has been sold or has not been sold to another person. But when I did that, the land still belongs to the person I bought the land from. And this lady is saying the land belongs to her, so she has taken me to court. So what do I do?
Okay. Thank you, Mark. Your matter is pending in court. Joshua from Ho. Hello, Joshua.
Hello.
Yes, let's hear you, Joshua.
Thank you so much for the opportunity. I just want to commend you and the Joy TV for what you are doing today. These are the things we need to hear and know, rather than everyday political issues that are not bringing any development to we, the individual citizens. Discuss the that affect us directly. God bless you, and God bless Joy News.
All right, thank you. I'll take my very final call for the first segment of question and answer period. Time. Yes, who is my last caller? Okay, so you forgive me. Let's hold it on here and take the 3 questions. Okay, so let's start with our first caller from Volta region.
The forcible
yes, chief taking clan land and selling it to developer, and they want to know if they can go and drive the developer out.
It depends on where in the Volta region. If he's talking about the whole area, for example, the chiefs wouldn't have any land to start, because there's a case called the Republic against Regional Lands Officer who, as particular J, in which the court said in that area of the country, there are no stool lands. So if he is in that region, that corridor of the Volta region, there are no stool lands, and the lands will belong to other clans or families.
Okay.
The part that is scary is when he says, can you go and pull down the pillars? Something, generally, the law permits some reasonable amount of self-help, generally. But the law sees that as an exception to the rule, not the rule itself. So I would not recommend that he should go start pulling down houses and pulling down pillars, even if he believes he is right, because the violence could beget more violence. He should take advantage of the law, and I would say he have to go to the police. But somebody would then say, so if you find armed robbers climbing your wall and coming into your house, and you have a gun, will you wait and go to the police? My answer to this gentleman is he shouldn't take the law into his own hands.
All right.
Because if we encourage that, we are encouraging a certain level of lawlessness.
Right. Yes, if I can get you to take the second question from Henry. He says he's got a land in a Buri, and developers appear to be conniving with the police to deprive him of the land that he has had title to for 30 years. What should he do?
A Buri one, it's a matter of the ownership. And those places are not within, unfortunately, are not within the title registration districts, which is mainly in Accra. So even when you register your land with the Lands Commission, it doesn't mean your landlord is really the owner of the land. In fact, even the title registration area, I was looking at the law. Fortunately, Section 182 tries to address that issue. It says that before land is demarcated and sold, the landlords should register their whole allodial title before they start selling, so that when somebody comes to you to buy the land, he is safe. He knows no other landlord is coming to challenge him.
Okay.
So the issue of this interference, we have to investigate whether it is from a lawful owner of the land who is trying to interfere with his enjoyment of the land, or just a trespasser.
Okay.
This, from the first view, is very difficult to tell.
Right.
Sometimes different landowners test over the land.
So you conclude your advice by saying he should seek counsel.
You should get probably a legal advice on the matter.
You can find a lawyer around where you are, nearest to you, and they can give you some advice specific to your issue, because you would present all the documents to the lawyer as well.